Over the red light. Where's the red light?
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Make him lay on his back again. How did you do that?
Oh, the room won't do it though. Oh, so angry.
Like, do they love or hate shiny things?
I think they hate him.
Why'd you make him angry? What a confused dog head tilt. Are you kidding? Do it. Oh, he almost rolled over. He almost rolled over.
I was freaking out.
What's he rubbing his ass up against stuff? Look, look, look. He's really sad now. Where'd it go? It's back. It's... You gonna roll over? What? Roll over.
Do it.
You can do it? You can do it? Roll over just once, please. Oh, pretend scratching. Give me bellies. 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 Oh. You got angry. How, can I scratch you? Oh, stop.
What? She did it.
Oh, he almost did it. Can I scratch you? Can I scratch you?
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Look at you laying there now. Oh, move up. That's so awesome. Every time you just scratch that. Oh. What are you doing over there, huh? Ooh, that one's freaking out. Can I scratch you? Can I scratch you? No? Wait, I want to get proof that actually, let me just look at his shoulder. Awesome. Okay. Nope. Oh.